look at this hair. These are the areas where I struggle with my hair thinning often, and look at the hair that is growing. Look at my sideburns. My sideburns have never been more than like this long in forever. I know my hair is crazy, but I'm about to wash it, and I thought that I would show you one of the pre-wash hair routines I have incorporated into my routine that is helping to grow back the hair I lost when I lost a bunch of weight, and to get my hair healthier than it ever has been before. So I do this every other wash. First, I've been going in with this L'Oreal Hyaluron Pure oil erasing treatment. It is a salicylic acid treatment, and you literally just put it all over your scalp. Make sure you don't just get the front, but you also get the crown area where we know we get oily. Massage it 3 to 5 minutes, leave it on for 15 minutes before you wash your hair. The other thing I do is the Epres, I don't know how to say it, this stuff, it is the pre-wash bond treatment. And so again, 10 minutes before I wash, I go through and saturate my hair really well with this stuff. And this is just helping to strengthen the hair, and it is just a pre-wash bond treatment. And then I just shampoo and condition like regular. It might not seem like a lot, but I swear doing these two things every other wash, among other things that I've incorporated that I can show you guys, but having pre-wash treatments for my hair has made a huge difference. This stuff, I can get an extra day before I need to wash my hair, and this is what I am attributing all these hairs that used to break off when they got to an inch or two long are now finally growing, and maybe will actually make my hair feel thicker if I could get them to grow down to the same length as the rest of my hair. I hope that helps.